Let's start our engines and roar into the desert, because the Dakar is back.
We have the biggest race of the year, Dakar 2025 in Bisha. We have a brand new vehicle, which is the Maverick car. First vehicle with a 7-speed gearbox, huge suspension, great performance, and we've got a wonderful crew, strong team lined up, and looking forward to it.
It's a completely different vehicle from the Maverick X3, bigger vehicle, more powerful, bigger engine, a 1000cc, 3-cylinder turbo with a double clutch 7-speed gearbox, automatic gearbox.
It's been a learning curve since it's a new model. It's a new machine for me, it's a new machine for a lot of people, for the mechanics to learn it. So I'm just doing the best I can to see what makes it happy and, you know, working with the engineers to see what they think makes it happy as well. It really is just incredible what Can Am's done and the model of the machine and skill set that this thing has to be able to take on the toughest race in the world.
It's a long race, it's tough on the weather, on the surface with sand, rocks, sometimes water, mud. The temperature can vary from very low 0 degrees to up to 35, 40 degrees Celsius during the stage. Motul also help us a lot in the engine. We have a reliable car to be able to push the car to the limit and to push it safely through the entire race of Dakar.
Dakar is something different to everybody. You know, for us, it's the new challenge, it's the new vehicle, but it's also continuing to build on great partnerships like we have with Motul. It's the vehicle has a gearbox, as we mentioned. It's got clutch systems, so it's a whole lot of different products which we've been working with Motul to make sure we've got the best lubricant and fluids for that. And it's going to be critical. You know, it's a long race. It's probably one of the toughest Dakars. If you look in the first week, we're going to have a 48-hour stage and a marathon stage, and big distance this year, but for sure it's going to be a great adventure.